Hi guys, this is Mark Jr. here again with All Clear Cleaning, answering questions, and I'm in Alpharetta today. We had a customer ask us how much does it cost to get gutter cleaning done. The average house is between about $115 to $200 when it's on the high end. Now that includes us going up there with the ladder, getting up on the roof, blowing down all the leaves off the roof, cleaning out the gutters, making sure the downspouts are clear, not clogged, and then going back down and cleaning up after ourselves. So the average house is anywhere from about $115 to about $200. So I hope you guys like my questions I've been answering for you guys. If you do, please subscribe to our blog and like us on Facebook. You guys have a good day, and I'll talk to you soon.